Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how you can add clouds in your drone footages very easily in daVinci Resolve. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the edit page, go to the effects and search for fusion composition. Drag drop to your timeline and open in the fusion page. Now go to media pool and import your drone shot. Now drag down as a media in. Now after that add a image plane 3D and then add a merge 3D and finally add the renderer 3D and connect the output with the media out. Now in the blank space add a camera 3D and connect this with the merge 3D. Now go to the image plane 3D and in the transform scale up the value to 5.0 and set the merge 3D window to the first preview window. As you can see, media out has no output cause our camera is looking through our drone shot. So we have to go our camera 3D and in the transform change the Z position or simply move the camera backwards to get the scene visible. Okay, now we have need a cloud, so in the media pool import the cloud PNG and drag down. Now after that add image plane 3D and connect it with the merge 3D. Now in the image plane 3D change the cloud position, increase the Z position to get a realistic look, and you can also change the XY position depending on your scene. Okay, and I am changing the rotation X also, rotation X here, like this kind of effect. Okay, now we have to do our camera animation. So for the first frame I will keep this keyframe here, and at the last frame we will get a zoomed in view. So increase the Z position here and changing the Y position to make our main character in the middle frame. I hope we are done. So let's check it out how it gonna look. As you can see, it is looking so awesome. Here you can see it is giving so realistic effect. So here you can see what happened really happening in the behind. In the background here is our drone shot and here is our cloud. So our camera is looking through the cloud and we are getting this kind of such amazing effect. But there is a catch. If you getting this kind of weird frame, don't afraid, just in the edit cut that particular frame, and after cutting that frame our clip is gonna look like this. So if you learned anything from this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.